drug addictions, bad bitches, they gotta be jokes. See the Pico, black slacks, it's all.
What's good, yo? We back, RTTV.
What's good? We back, RTTV.
Gang.
Man, highly requested video right here. Man, we got the Raid 2 final fight scene, kitchen fight scene. It's about to be lit. My homies haven't even seen this right here, so you know they ain't ready for what they about to see. I know y'all, yeah. It's their first time here, definitely won't be last. Make sure you kill, murder, and smash that subscribe button, man. Make sure you go to our Patreon. Shout out to the Patreon family. If you're not, it's cool. We still love y'all, but just make sure you check it out. We got full and early reactions of cartoons, live action shows, and anime.
Yo.
Yes, sir, man.
And make sure that notification bell is ringing so every time we drop a video, you know about it first. I changed it up a little bit for that one. But my voice cracked. So,
Y'all here moaning and shit.
Nah. The way Pat does it make it sound terrible. Like what the hell? You know I don't.
That's what you do, nigga.
No. No, see, it's the face too. It's the face that you be making when you do it. They make it worse. Like, it makes
That's
it.
exactly how you do it.
See, you feel me?
We gotta play that back.
We gotta play that back.
Come on.
Notification bar.
Nah, it's too much. Alright, they bugging me.
Oh man,
I don't
Raid
think they
2.
are. I'm about to raid scene 2, both of you niggas. Stop playing with me.
Look like a cockroach. I'm about to raid you, man. Raid 2, final fight scene.
Bitch. I'm not even gonna say nothing.
Listen to the crazy fight.
Oh, you see that? Yo, that's a head up right there.
I'll be damned, Pat.
Combat!
You're doing too much stopping.
Nah, we gonna head up. I wanna do head up like this. We face to face with it. I want your arms to touch mine.
Right? Go ahead, touch me. Okay, I will.
Okay, I will. Ooh.
Damn.
Dude's over here bleeding and shit.
Pull up to your block, then I bleed it.
The choreography is so dope in this. I feel like fighting in the kitchen is the most dangerous place, yo.
With knives.
And it's food. It's like, don't get in the way of my food.
Shit, halfway through the fight, motherfucker, I put that stove on, throw your ass on the shit.
Damn.
Oh,
shit.
Get up, nigga. Get your punk ass up. Oh,
he's definitely throwing him in that boy, bro.
Oh, he's
that.
hitting him.
Oh my god.
Shit.
Oh my god.
Combo.
That was a hell of a combo.
3-hit combo.
You can just pick up anything and throw shit.
He said, stupid.
I got a camera angle at that.
Stupid.
I don't need no fucking items.
Oh my god, you see how his head just shook?
Oh my god.
He's done.
He would have been had a concussion after the first one.
Rattling.
Yeah, you see that his brain literally shook when he did that. Oh
my gosh. Yeah, he's done. He's done. He's out.
He's going through that glass.
Yeah.
Like he's whooping your ass, bro.
That's a lot of wine that just got wasted.
He's whooping your ass. He's like, you ain't getting off this wall.
Bro, he went through 2 glasses.
No, he's done. He's done for.
Yeah, if you
he got.
cheater!
That's grimy.
You cheated!
You didn't give me a warning.
You's a bitch!
Yo, that
man's a bitch!
Just giving y'all a heads up, and he cut down deep, bro.
Yeah, I don't know.
That part of your leg?
Back your knees?
Oh!
Nah, you cut my face, I need a fucking fair one. Not even a fair one, I need an unfair one.
Yeah, it's an unfair one now.
I'm fucking skinning your face.
He already shooting the unfair one.
Yeah.
He was getting his ass whooped. He said, wait a minute.
He said, alright, clearly my fighting skills don't match up to yours. Oh! Wow, good reverse. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm pretty decent with this knife, though.
That's so dangerous because those are different type of knives, yo. Oh my gosh!
He said, "You want to cut my face? Okay." You getting
He
no
made-
bitches.
He made him kiss the floor with that one right there.
Woo!
Yeah, see, he's feeling it.
Yeah, I knew it. I'm like, he can't get up no more.
Nigga, that don't hurt. That don't hurt.
But
The way you landed on your knee and then just like.
That nigga is.
Every part of his face is bruised up.
Hell yeah.
That must suck. After a fight like this, you wake up in the morning like,
Oh, yeah, this
if you
motherfucker
survive.
hurts him.
you been in one of these, Jerry?
Yeah,
Yo,
man.
Jerry a hood nigga.
Jay's a hood ass dude if you didn't know.
Nah, you right, you right.
Yo, you see all the close calls he had with that
Oh,
knife?
he's smart for that.
Oh!
Wow. He's like controlling his body.
Exactly, yo.
619.
It's like he's really controlling where his arm is going, so it's like, at least I know you're not gonna stab. Oh! Oh, I got a knife now!
He's fucked.
Oh!
He's like, now you gave me a knife? Nah, you was already getting your ass whooped already. Now it's already an unfair one.
Damn. Now you get a cut.
Oh my gosh!
Nice.
Oh my gosh! He's smacking him in his goofy.
See, people talk about head up. This is real head up,
This
right?
is head up.
This is a head up. Oh my
This is
god.
a head, literally head up.
Niggas got sliced up everything.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
god. They say murder beef. This is murder beef, right here.
Think about the shape you gotta be in to fight like this.
Yeah. Apparently he was actually like a martial artist, like competed and everything too. The taller one. Rama.
Oh my god.
Woo!
Kill him.
Finish him.
Ah, fuck.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my
Oh
god!
my gosh.
Woo! Bro,
Man, this shit is real.
Oh yeah! Oh my god! He got in like 3 quick sneaky hits.
He says, stop it, 5. 5.
Oh!
You're done, man. You're
Yeah, it's
done.
done! Oh! He lifted him up! Oh my! Bro, he lifted him up! Oh my! Oh! Oh shit!
Fight back.
Okay. Oh.
His face all swollen and shit, like.
Bro, he played tic-tac-toe with his throat with a knife, bro. He's like, cock, 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 cock.
Shit. Wow, that's probably the craziest fight I've ever seen.
What's his name? Wins.
Rama.
Fatality. Rama wins.
So lesson up today. Anybody ever pull up on you when y'all about to fight and they hit this shit right here?
This is right.
Don't fight that nigga, bro. No way. We out.
They both
really
did
wanted
that.
to do that.
I know, right?
Yeah, but I wouldn't fight either of them, honestly. They both turned up.
Nah, 100%.
My
bro.
boy pulled out the hook knives. I don't want to fight him.
Yeah, it's like, yo, that's different type of smoke right there. He didn't pick up no butcher knife around. He got the curved type of, like, that's a specialized knife
Like
right
brass knuckled
there. Knife, yeah, like that shit was crazy, bro. And it was like, that's as raw and gruesome of a fight that you're gonna get right there,
Yeah.
bro. No bull.
That has to have been the last fight too, cause the
Cool.
motherfucker got he got hurt a lot.
Yeah.
He got sliced right here, sliced in his leg. He got his ass whooped too. And I like how it was like it was a fair fight to a certain extent.
Yeah.
Like it came down to the last couple seconds of fight.
Yeah, 100%.
You know what I'm saying? Like he wasn't whooping the nigga's ass the whole time.
And that's why I like how realistic it was, because like even in the beginning how we saw like, you know, Rama was getting more hits in, it was like, alright, you know, let's make this fight even more interesting. Alright, Rama has the fighting competitive edge. Let me take out the knife real quick. And that's the real shit though. If I'm getting my ass whooped, bro, I'm taking some shit out that's gonna even the score, bro.
Yeah,
Wow.
And you
What,
know,
what do you mean even the score?
Yeah, you heard that?
Even the
What do you
level
mean?
it out.
Because like I said, in the case that he's that nice and He takes his knife. There's no such thing as even in the fucking
No, that's
score.
what I'm saying. I'm saying the person that took out the knife, he's even in the score.
No, but I'm saying in the case like he makes himself more vulnerable because the motherfucker, the dude who pulled out the knife.
How's he making more for? I have a knife. My defense is even crazier now. My offense is even crazier now.
Because the other nigga that you're fighting is that nice that he can simply just take the knife away from you. Then it's
wasn't
not
That was not simple. It took him
yeah.
like 2 minutes of fighting before he even got that knife.
It wasn't even a fair one from the beginning.
Harry, if you
It
want
wasn't a
something like
fair
that-
one. It wasn't a fair one.
Bring the hammer.
You just got his ass whooped, son.
Oh,
Unless
the
he
hammer
had
off
unless he
the
like had hammers. Even with the hammers, it wasn't a fair one because it's like you have no self-control when you swing at a bat. You don't have that much control when you swing at a bat and you swing at
That's why I said a hammer.
I'm not talking about a real hammer.
He's talking about that Glock.
I'm talking about that Glock 9 with the extension.
That's snub nose, baby.
Come on. I'd be like, alright, bro, you can take this knife, bro. I'm gonna shoot this. I'm gonna shoot everything in the room. So you go get hit, bro.
That's how you shoot a gun?
That's how you
Oh my. Yeah. Against that nigga? Yeah. Hell yeah. Because I'd be scared. Nah, because I'd be dead ass. Like, I'd be scared to shoot right at him. Because I feel like, did you see what he did? Yeah, what? I put my gun in. Disarm the shit, hand me the clip. Like, oh, right.
No,
I'm
bullshit.
good. Yeah, I'm good.
But
That
honestly,
nigga would shoot the gun. He would say the sound effects too, like.
I might be that nervous if I was fighting him, bro. Hell yeah.
yo, but
Are you dead?
Well, honestly, I don't remember. I feel like there's one simple fight that happens right after this, but this is like the last epic fight that happens in this movie right here, man. Definitely, like, yo. Matter of fact, yo, if you guys get this video to 5K likes, I'll make sure that we do a YouTube reaction to Raid 2, because there's so many epic scenes that the homies haven't seen yet. And I know y'all know they should see that. So like it up, get us a 5K likes, and we'll watch it right here on RTTV. And it's your first time here, definitely won't be your last.
Nah.
Make sure you kill, murder, and
Smash!
that subscribe button. It's Patricrt God team, man. Much salute to the whole RTTV gang, Patreon gang, man. The like squad, if you always liking our videos, man. You part of the like squad too.
Thanks for being the like squad.
The like squad, yeah.
Oh man, what's good, bro? I go by the name of DC. Follow me on Instagram, DCZ_WorldRT. Man, the way he just went up his arm and then switched up and then
Yeah, he locked in
real
his neck
savage,
with this.
real savage. Jesus.
Yo, it's your boy Wells, the Anime King. Make sure you follow me at Wells_T.
Get him, Wells.
Yo, make sure you comment down below if you want to see Wells versus Wilkins. Jerry Wilkins, that man over there with the dreads. I'm gonna whoop his ass.
Yo, it's the man, the myth, the cartoon maniac, Wilkins_RT. Yo,
Get him, Wilkes.
comment down below if you want to see Wilkins just beat the shit out of Wells. It's not even gonna be Wells versus Wilkins. It's gonna be titled Wilkins beats Wells' ass. That's what it's gonna be titled, in all caps, with a bloodied and battered Wells.
So that's all cap is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Caps. That's not what I'm saying.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's all cap.
It's all cap.
It's
Damn,
not
bro.
even all caps.
Oh, shit.
It's all facts. That's what it is.
And that's the round table.
It's your boy Wells, YTTV. Man, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, let us know what you think. You know who